Good morning, class 7. Subject Maths, chapter 11, chapter name Profit and Loss, exercise 11A, page number 157. Question number 3rd. Find CP when. Find CP when SP is equal to rupees 924, gain is equal to 10%. Then students, we write the first step same as question and use the formula CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. Then here 100 upon 100 plus gain percent means 100 plus 10 into SP 924. Then here it will be what 100 upon 110 into 924. Students, we cut 0 0 and we cut 924 by 11, so here it will be 11. 8 ja 88, 4 will remainder, 11 4 ja 44. Now it will be 10 into 84, then 840. Okay, students, rupees 840, CP is equal to rupees 840. Okay, students, now we will see question number 2. Okay, students, now we will see question number 2nd. SP is equal to rupees 1755 and gain is equal to 12 integer 1.2%. So I write first step same as question. SP is equal to rupees 1755 and gain is equal to 12 integer 1.2% is equal to 25.2%. Now students, we write CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. So students, here I write 100 upon 100 plus 25 upon 2 into rupees 1755. Now students, here I write 100 upon LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2 and this becomes 200 plus 25 into rupees 1755. Now students, here I write 100 upon 225 upon 2 ऐसा होगा into rupees 1755. Okay students, then here I write 100 into 2, ये 2 ऊपर चले जाएगा और ये ऐसे चले जाएगा 225 into rupees 1755. Okay students, now it will be 100 into 200 upon 225 into rupees 1755. Now we cut it by 25, it becomes 8 and this becomes 9. Now we write 8 upon 9 into rupees 1755. हम इसको 9 से कट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. So we divide 1755 divided by 9. 9 9 जा 81, 45, 9 5 से 45. So students, it will be rupees 195. Now we write 8 into rupees 195. Then students, 8 into rupees 195 is equal to 8 5 are 40, carry 4, 8 9 are 72 and 4 76. Carry 7, 8 and 7 50. So the answer will be rupees 1560. Okay students, answer will be 1560. Now we will see next question number 3rd of question number 3. Students, now we will see 3rd question of question number 3. SP is equal to rupees 8510 and loss equal to 8%. We write first step same as question. SP is equal to rupees 8,510 when loss equal to 8%. Now CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Then here 100 minus 8 into SP rupees 8510. Then 100 minus 8 92 into rupees 8510. Now students, we cut it by 4, so it become 25, it become 23. So I write here 25 upon 23 into rupees 8,510. Now students, we divide 8,510 by 23. So here 23 3s are 69 and 23 7s are 161 and here 0, here 0. Then students, here I write 370. Then 25 into rupees 370. You multiply it. 7 5 is 35, carry 3. 7 3 is 5 3 is 15 and 3 18. So it will be carry 1 7 and 1 8 and 9 rupees 9,250. Students, the answer will be equal to rupees 9,250. Okay students, so CP is equal to rupees 9,250 will be answer. Now we will see next question number 4 of question number 3rd. So students, now we will see question number 4. SP is equal to rupees 5,600. Loss is equal to 6 integer 2 upon 3%. So students, first step I write same as the question. SP is equal to rupees 5,600. Loss is equal to 6 integer 2 upon 3%. Now CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Then students, I write here 100 here 6 integer 2 upon 3 will be what? 20 upon 3%. Okay students, it will be 20 upon 3. So I write here 100 upon 100 minus 20 upon 3 into SP rupees 5,600. Then 100 upon here will be what? 3 into 100 300 minus 20 into rupees 5,600. Now students, here I write 100 upon 280 upon 3 into rupees 5,600. Now here I write 100 into 3. This 3 will go outside and become 280 into rupees 5,600. We cut it and it become what? 20. Then here 100 into 3, 300 into rupees 20 is equal to rupees 600. Okay friends, now we will see question number 4 in the next video. Okay, thank you.